I'm the commercial director from Sylatech. I'm an investment casting foundry in the UK, and we're a customer of Ultimaker. And we're here at the exhibition to demonstrate how we use 3D printing, and specifically the Ultimaker, to turn 3D prints into metal parts. So we use a block molding version of the investment casting process, where we will print the actual part. We will then attach that onto a frame. We'll put it in a box and fill it with an investment plaster. We will then burn out the rapid prototype and fire the mold. And after the mold has been fired, we will then pour in molten aluminium or brass to be left with the part in metal. Here we have an example of a box. This would typically be in metal rather than plastic. And we have a frame where we've attached some of these parts again, which we've printed on the Ultimaker. We would fill the box completely, as mentioned, and then we would burn this out. Once you pour in the metal, you're left with this as your metal part. Once we've gone beyond the prototyping stage, we would then have the customer invest in tooling, and that would be a hard aluminium tool in which we would inject wax and then go through this same process. So our process is a very specialist process in terms of delivering small, lightweight, complex parts, and can cast down to 0.5 of a millimeter. So we're very heavily into aerospace and space applications.